Email verification failed on River Financial Fix. If you're trying to sign up for River Financial and your email verification isn't working, you're not alone. This is a common problem, but it can be resolved quickly if you follow these steps. First, make sure the email address you entered is accurate. Even a small typo, extra space, or missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Accuracy is essential. Next, check all inbox folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from River Financial are sometimes filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you locate the verification email, click the link promptly, as these links often expire within a short time frame. If the email hasn't arrived, request a new verification link directly from the River Financial website. Resending the link fixes the problem for most users. Browser or device issues can also interfere with email delivery. Clearing your browser cache, switching browsers, or using the River Financial mobile app can help ensure the email is received correctly. In some cases, your email provider may block automated messages. If this happens, try signing up with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which are generally more reliable for receiving verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact River Financial support. Explain that your email verification failed despite checking all folders and resending the link. Support can manually verify your account, so you can start investing immediately. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the link if needed, try a different browser or device, and contact support if necessary. Following these steps usually resolves email verification issues quickly, letting you start trading and managing Bitcoin on River Financial without delay.